discuss how to configure straight through cable, wherein, as what you have said, you just need to consider the proper configuration of the color. For straight through, that will be white of orange, orange, white of green, blue, white of blue, green, white of brown, brown. Although, as what we have said a while ago, or discussed a while ago, there's actually a technique for you to do the straight through cable without remembering the colors or the arrangement, by simply considering the lightest color to the darkest color and twisting the cables and then shifting the two solid colors in between. So we're done with the straight through cable. What Sir Art did is that he configured the same color configuration. Both is configured as T568B. So therefore, what we have here is a straight through cable which connects DTE to DCE or vice versa, DCE to DTE. Okay. So our concern right now is to how to configure a crossover cable which is used to connect two different devices, which is DTE to, two same devices, which is DTE to DTE or DCE to DCE. So for the first connector, you just have to consider the same color configuration which has been discussed by Sir Art, which is the T568B. So therefore, in this connector, the arrangement will be white of orange, orange, white of green, blue, white of blue, green, and then white of brown, brown. For the second pair or for the second connector, things will be different. So for now, orange will not be the first color. So another technique that we could do is this. The same thing, we just need to consider the lightest color to the darkest color, but by now, instead of considering orange as our lightest color, we're going to start with the green pair or the green color. So that will be green, the pair of green, the pair of orange, blue, and then brown. And the same technique as what we have discussed a while ago, we just need to untwist this cable. And again, you just need to consider the lightest color, which is the one that has a stripe color, white with the stripe color green. And then for this one, the same thing, you just need to untwist the cable and again consider the lightest color. You could use this tool to easily arrange the wire to make it straight, and then you just have to do the same thing here for the pair of blue. So there you go, again starting with the white one, and then let's do the same thing here for the orange, for the pair of orange. Just untwist this, and again consider the white color with the stripe of orange. And again, just the same technique that we have done for the T568A or T568B rather. For T568A, which starts with the color of green, the same thing, the same technique. Consider the two solid colors in between, which is in this case orange and blue. So the blue will take the place of orange, and orange now will take the place of blue. So in this case, it shows us that to configure a T568A, the color combination or the color arrangement will be white of green, green, white of orange, blue, white of blue, orange, and then followed by white of brown, brown. And again, the same thing, just arrange it, just making sure that it's properly arranged, and then consider half an inch, and then just like what Sir Art have discussed us, after this arrange, just consider the proper facing of the RJ45 and then the proper insertion before pimping it.